Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 40R, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset, or actually force restart operation, will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and, for example, it does not respond to your touches. So you can try to force restart it just by pressing the power button, which is located on the right side of your device, and press it long enough until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So pardon me, but after pressing the power button, the Google Assistant is turning on. So I will not tell anything. Just make sure that you are pressing the power button for a longer time. It's approximately 10 to 15 seconds. So let's press it and let's wait. As you can see, we've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. And now we've got the developer's logo, which means that we just successfully force restarted our device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.